Welcome to our YouTube Shorts on portfolio optimization. Explore asset allocation strategies for optimal results. Asset allocation refers to distributing investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. One popular strategy is the balanced approach, diversifying your portfolio with both stocks and bonds for growth potential and stability. The aggressive approach focuses on maximizing growth, allocating more to stocks for potentially higher returns over the long term. Alternatively, the conservative approach prioritizes capital preservation, allocating more to bonds and cash equivalents for lower risk. The tactical approach adjusts allocation based on market conditions to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate risks. Remember, the right strategy depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Consult a financial advisor for personalized advice. Optimize your investment portfolio with asset allocation strategies that suit your needs and preferences. If you found this helpful, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.